This is my 8th year here, and it's a thrill coming to work every day. I get to work with the finest jazz musicians in the country. I'm the director of the 1 O'Clock Lab Band here at the University of North Texas. The 1 O'Clock has been around for over 75 years, and the lineage of those musicians is just epic. And you can pretty much go into any area of the music business and you'll find a 1 O'Clock alum.
I got into jazz when I was studying classical music, and a group of my friends were really interested in improvising, and I just really loved the freedom that I can get from improvising. I met Professor Alan Baylock, and he's invited me to play now in the 1 O'Clock Lab Band.
And having a violinist for the first time was an idea of mine because I love innovation. And with the violin, it adds such a unique texture. Her playing blends so well with this new concept of what a big band can sound like.
Sometimes I'm trying to blend into the ensemble, and sometimes I'm trying to stick out. So it's a different kind of timbre to the sound. It adds to the texture.
It's pretty rare. In fact, I don't know any other collegiate ensembles that carry a full-time violinist.
Being the first violinist in the 1 O'Clock, it's a really unique experience because I feel like I'm making a mark in history. It's just a really exciting moment for jazz strings in general.
It's groundbreaking also to have a jazz violinist within the big band. Not only icing on the cake, but an integral part of the sound of the ensemble. There's no peer for the 1 O'Clock Lab Band here at the University of North Texas.